The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Jake Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Rear spoiler. The Z06 comes standard with a rear spoiler that has adjustable features and elements designed to improve the high-speed stability and cornering capabilities on the racetrack. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Wide stance. The performance envelope of the Z06 is built upon the Stingray Corvette's foundation. Now having a 3.6-inch wider stance helps accommodate the massive 345 series tires. It also allows more airflow and handling to be the supercar on the track and the roadway. Let's take a look at the engine. The 2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5-liter dual overhead cam V8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. A lightweight, flat-plane crank design enables the engine to rev to an astonishing 8,600 RPMs needed to create significant power. More than horsepower, the new LT6 is designed to complement all aspects of the Z06 track-focused performance experience. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Jake Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.